What's the meaning of azoic? Azoic. Azoic.
Azoic. Azoic. The term azoic refers to a geological era that spans from approximately 2.5 billion years ago to the start of the Paleozoic era around 542 million years ago. During this period, Earth was largely devoid of life as we know it today, with no complex, multicellular organisms yet evolved. The name azoic comes from the Greek zoe, meaning life. The Azoic era was characterized by the formation of early sedimentary rocks, including vast deposits of iron-rich banded iron formations, and the emergence of atmospheric oxygen, which would ultimately pave the way for the development of life on Earth.